Hey guys, Ed here. We've all seen my emergency Starlink Mini setup. This is the kit that I have usually with me in case I need communications in an emergency situation. When I got my adapter piece for my Veritas Vans roof mount, this part right here cracked. And now this piece can come off, and usually when I pull my mount off of the roof, this stays on the roof. So I ordered a new one of these adapter pieces. We're going to stick that on today. It's got this little metal piece here that goes over top of the plastic piece, and it looks like this is the way it's supposed to be because that's the way it came in the package. That is such a tight fit. It took me a hot minute to get that in there. This new piece has a little bit different design than the original one that I got for Christmas. Hopefully the new one is going to last me a little bit longer. Now there is a little bit of a difference here between this mount here and the PeakDo LinkPower II. So we're going to put this on, but not all the way down as far as the mount's going to go. We're going to put it down as far as the LinkPower II is going to go. We're going to unscrew this part again. Look at that break right there. Here it is from the front. We can still access our button and all of our ports over here. The only thing with this setup is that if I want to use this on the inside windshield or moonroof of the vehicle, I'm going to have to take this magnetic foot off to get this here stuck on. But it's okay because, well, it's going to have the suction cups on the other side. So I'm just going to have to find somewhere to keep this. Now that this is all repaired, I can stick it on the top of the vehicle for our trip up to Addie, Washington this Memorial Day weekend. We're going up there for the Thrive to Survive event, and I'm going to have a booth. So we're going to be using this Starlink Mini up there and really test it out. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.